Ta-da! These earphones with sci-fi inspired designs will shock you. Or what about gadgets from another planet? Well, stick around because in today's video we have some very interesting picks for you. All the links to the products are in the description below. SwitchBot Smart Curtain Robot. SwitchBot is a cool gadget that can make any curtain smart. I've been using this gadget for more than 6 months now and I'm loving it. SwitchBot is wireless, smart, and super convenient to use. Using this smart home accessory is very simple. Just clamp it onto your curtain rod, pair it with your smartphone, and SwitchBot will take care of the rest. Since not every curtain is the same, SwitchBot comes with a set of add-ons that you can use. #70 MAI A800 Front and Rear Dash Cam Combo. With so many vehicles on the street these days, it is better to be safe than sorry. There could be situations where you are blamed for accidents in which you are the victim. According to me, every vehicle should have some sort of camera to record events, good or bad. If it is good, you can post it on your social media. If it is bad, you can have it as proof for rare cases where you are falsely accused. There are so many car cameras on the market. Today we have one such camera, but with a lot more features that you might not even hear about. Meet #70 MAI A800, a smart front and rear cam combo for cars. RHINOKEY Titanium Key Organizer with LED. To enjoy the RHINOKEY Key Organizer, you don't have to be any particular sort of man. You may be macho, metro, or Crocodile Dundee, geek, sleek, or corporate. This Renaissance Titanium Key Organizer appeals to all seasons of men. The RHINOKEY EDC tool is as multifunctional and versatile as the men for whom it was designed. All keys are hidden inside a rectangular titanium case measuring 3 1/4 inches by 1 1/4 inches. It fits in the palm of your hand. It slides easily into front or back pockets. No keys spill out. Instead, all keys are stacked and hidden inside the lightweight rectangular titanium case. Bosma Aegis Smart Deadbolt and Door Lock. Do you ever find yourself carrying more than what you can hold? Leave the hassle behind and no more fumbling for your keys. Let Aegis auto-lock as you leave and auto-unlock when you return home. Detects attempted break-ins while triggering an automatic siren and notifying you immediately. Unlock or lock your door from anywhere, anytime. Share lock access with family members and guests so they can come and go as they please even when you're away. Appless Guest Key allows your guests to unlock via the generated link and access code through the internet. Bebird N3 Pro Camera-equipped ear cleaning tweezers. Unlike traditional blind ear cleaners, Bebird N3 Pro ear cleaner with camera can display stable and clear earwax images inside the ears in real time. You can easily find and remove earwax without hurting your ears. The 3.7mm lens diameter is also very suitable for the ears, and it will not be too wide to harm the ears. High precision and reliable micro-mechanical arm. Tweezers head covered with rubber, open and closed degree protection system to deal with complex foreign bodies in the ear canal. Ear picker mode, spade ear cleaner, food silicone ear scoop, 4 colors, easy to distinguish between you and your family use. Earwax removal tool for oil ear, dry ear. Bebird N3 Pro Earwax has updated the 10.0 megapixel camera technology and 6 LED lights, allowing you to display more stable and clearer 1080 HD images on your phone. Robobloq Coding Robot, a cool STEM toy. Meet Kobo, one of the coolest coding robots for kids. With Kobo, your kids can play, learn, and master coding skills. What has attracted me most is the signs and Kobo's card recognizing capability. The game maker has thoughtfully designed the coded cards. If I were to give this to my kids, I am pretty sure they would have no difficulty in setting it up. Truly, Robobloq is the best for kids of about 3 to 8 years. The look of this robot toy is kinda cute.
Aw, look at those tiny little eyeballs. Unlike a traditional remote control toy, this robot can be programmed via your smartphone or laptop. With drag and drop programming, the interface can be used by a 5-year-old kid too. It supports PC programming. You will be the chief in command and tell Kobo where to go with code. Visual programming tools like Scratch simply drag and drop blocks to program, so easy. Olly Smart Light Therapy Lamp. If you are someone who struggles to sleep quickly, this gadget might be for you. Meet Olly, a smart lamp that helps you get to sleep faster. It does so by creating the ambience that helps you control melatonin. The company claims that Olly is better than coffee. Olly Light variants. Olly is small and portable. It can easily be carried in your backpack, if not your pocket. Whatever lifestyle you have, like shift work or sunlight deprivation, Olly offers an excellent alternative that can enhance your quality of life. Magnet switch with 2 brightness levels, 25% and 100%. You can set it to the best level according to the environment, and the lamp will automatically shut off in 25 minutes. Light therapy lamp using high-quality Samsung HCL human-centric lighting to provide optimized light for biorhythm. Foldylock, a compact bike lock. If you own a bicycle or are planning to own one, you definitely value it so much as it serves an important purpose in your life. When you cycle around, you will need to park it somewhere as you handle your business. Unfortunately, there are people out there looking to steal your bicycle if it is not locked appropriately. If you are a student, you know how many bikes get stolen on campuses. Fortunately, Foldylock by Seatlock is the invention you need to ensure that your bicycle is safe whenever you have to lock it outside. This is a lock that has been made purposely to deter petty and experienced bicycle thieves. The secure bicycle lock is made of hardened steel links that make it strong, and this is a great deterrent to thieves. Govee Glide Smart LED Wall Light Bar. RGBIC tech lets Govee Glide wall lights display up to 57 colors at one time and 16 million colors total, allowing for beautiful color combinations and flowing multicolor effects. The multicolor effects will bring gorgeous lighting effects to your Halloween decorations. Govee Glide wall lights allow you to control it through app, with 40 scene modes including Halloween and 12 music modes to choose from. You can also use the app to customize your LED light for Halloween decorations. Govee is committed to providing you with a colorful visual feast at the Halloween party. Evapolar evaCHILL Portable Air Conditioner. Evapolar evaCHILL is one of the best and the worthiest gadgets you can ever get under $100. This portable air conditioner is probably the only portable AC that looks good, is feature-packed, and extremely affordable. Having a personal AC like this has a ton of advantages. One of them is portability. This gadget can humidify, clean, and cool the air around you. It is ultra portable and can fit in your backpack or luggage. evaCHILL looks super clean and aesthetic on any table. The LED lights at the back make it look sick. Sirius P5 Wireless Earbuds. The first to offer interchangeable cases with unique, sci-fi inspired designs that allow you to customize based on style and preference. The Sirius P5 combo comes with defense armor, defense mecha, and crystal blue. More designs will come in the future. Our audio products take inspiration from sci-fi and cyberpunk characteristics. For Sirius P5, we stepped further by making different collectible cases to it, said Yang, Gravastar founder and industrial designer. The open-air Sirius P5 features 12mm dynamic drivers and aptX high definition.
Gravastar Mozart. When a panda meets sci-fi, the Gravastar Mozart integrates the cyberpunk aesthetic into the Bluetooth speaker. The half-robot face with ambient lights make Mozart fun to have. You will never get bored with Mozart on your desk, aesthetic and functional. You can play Mozart via Bluetooth or aux cable. Bluetooth 5.0 enables you to get rid of cables and put Mozart wherever you want to. If you seek zero latency, use the aux Type-C cable with Mozart. Both ways give you a rich sound to immerse yourself in the music. Pair two Mozart speakers to get an immersive sound.